glad that all of my friends are here. Story time is one of my favorite things to do. I love hearing all of the new stories. I wonder what story we're going to read today. Let's find out. Hi, friends. Thanks for joining us for story time today. Today we are reading the book, How Do Dinosaurs Say Goodnight? This book is written by Jane Yolen and illustrated by Mark Teague. How does a dinosaur say goodnight when Papa comes in to turn off the lights? Does a dinosaur slam his tail and pout? Does he throw his teddy bear all about? Does a dinosaur stomp his feet on the floor and shout, "I want to hear one book more"? Does a dinosaur roar? How does a dinosaur say goodnight when Mama comes in to turn off the light? Does he swing his neck from side to side? Does he up and demand a piggyback ride? Does he mope? Does he moan? Does he sulk? Does he sigh? Does he fall on top of his covers and cry? No, dinosaurs don't. They don't even try. They give a big kiss. They turn out the light. They tuck in their tails. They whisper, "Good night." They give a big hug, then give one kiss more. Good night. Good night, little dinosaur. Thanks for joining us for story time, friends. That was so much fun. See you next time.